This beautifully appointed home sits on 1 acre bordering the Pinckney State Recreation Area. Half Moon Lake's day-use area, featuring a swimming beach and boat access to the chain of lakes, is just a half-mile away. The open concept living area features hardwood flooring and abundant natural light. The kitchen includes stainless steel appliances and a spacious farmhouse sink. Practical amenities include a convenient first-floor laundry and generously sized mudroom. 4 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors offer exceptional living space, with 3 rooms featuring impressive 10-foot ceilings. The finished basement provides an excellent entertaining space, perfect for game nights and gatherings. Situated in the highly regarded Chelsea School District, this property offers direct access to the renowned Potawatomi Trail, a destination for hikers, runners, cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts throughout Michigan. Imagine this as your backyard. Contact me today to schedule your private showing.